Watch this video and learn how to draw Miss Piggy from the Muppets.
Come on kids, let's learn, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. That was a very nice welcome.
Yeah,
Are you in a good mood?
Artie in a very good mood.
Artie, you know how you love the Muppets?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to draw Miss Piggy.
Yay! Artie made art.
Wow! Hey, Betty, look at all the little artists that are here today.
Welcome to Artie's show!
Well, Artie, it looks like you've got your paper and your markers. Are you ready to begin and draw Miss Piggy?
Yeah, wait, okay.
There's nothing more exciting than Artie's blank piece of paper.
Betty, think of all the possibilities.
Let's start by drawing Miss Piggy's eyes. She has very pretty eyes. We'll do a circle on the left side of the page. Take your time drawing circles. They can be difficult, so you can draw them in sections, one little bit at a time, until you have a full circle. Now, Artie, can you remember what Miss Piggy's eyes look like? Oh, good. Let's add some eyelashes then. Lots of nice, thick black lines to show Miss Piggy's pretty eyelashes. Now let's draw a smaller circle inside of the first circle. And then add another smaller circle inside of that.
Hey, Betty, where'd you get those earrings?
Oh, thank you for noticing. They're from a local artist.
Oh,
Let's draw lots of little lines like spokes in a wheel coming from the middle eye.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thanks for that, Louie. Very helpful. Okay, now let's draw Miss Piggy's right eye. We're going to draw a larger circle first. Then let's draw the eyelashes, just like we did on the left side. Remember to draw a smaller circle inside the first one that we drew. And then another circle inside of that. Shade it in black, but leave a little white dot. And then remember the spokes. That's it.
watching Artie make art is so exciting.
I love it.
Now let's draw Miss Piggy's very famous snout, or nose. We're going to draw a large oval shape just beneath the eyes. Now, just like circles, ovals can be tricky, so don't try and draw the oval in one go, draw it in sections. Now let's add Miss Piggy's mouth underneath her nose. Great! Now let's give Miss Piggy some nostrils. We'll do two hook shapes, one on the right and then one on the left. Should we draw Miss Piggy's ears next? Yes, I agree. Let's draw her ears next. Remember to leave a point at the top of the ear. Now let's draw a sort of upside down U shape inside the ear. Great job, Artie. Now let's draw the left ear. Try and make it look very similar to the right one if you can. It doesn't have to be exact, but as close as you can.
I wonder what it's gonna be.
I'm not sure yet.
let's draw her left cheek and her chin. A nice gentle curve, and then a bigger curve underneath her mouth. And now the right cheek. Cartoon break? You want a cartoon break? Okay.
This painting is very famous. It's called the Mona Lisa.
Wow, I've seen photos of this before. Who painted it?
His name is Leonardo da Vinci.
She could have smiled.
She's happy.
I want to be in a painting.
One day, Mikey. This famous painting is painted by Andy Warhol.
Is she called Mona too?
No, Mikey, she's a movie star.
They had movies back then?
Yes, this painting was done a long time after the Mona Lisa in the 1960s. It was a style called pop art.
Pop art? Like a popsicle?
It means popular art.
Ah, it's 8 suns.
They are stars. This painting is called The Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh.
Is this as old as the last one?
It's very old. It's a classic.
Just like you.
That was a great cartoon break, Artie. Even though Mikey was a bit rude to Betty at the end. Oh, Mikey. Come on, let's carry on with the drawing. Let's finish off the nose with a couple of short curved lines. Now, let's draw Miss Piggy's famous pearl necklace. We're going to draw lots of tiny little circles all connected to one another. You have to be patient, Artie. There's lots of little circles to draw, but it's going to be worth it.
Artie is so talented, isn't he, Mikey?
He really is.
That's right, Betty and Mikey. Artie is so talented. But talent sometimes is just practice. If you practice at home and draw along with Artie, your talent will shine through too. Okay, it's time for Miss Piggy's famous blonde hair. Put the pen on the paper and let the pen move around in a swirly, cloudy, fluffy shape. Let the pen have a mind of its own and the hair will look more natural. The more swirls and curls that you add, the better. She's looking great, Artie.
That looks fantastic.
Just marvelous.
Just keep experimenting, moving the pen around the paper in a swirly, curly way. Time to do a little more on the right side of her hair, Artie. Oh, this is looking good. I think it could do with even more hair, Artie. That looks good to me. I think it's finished, Artie. What do you think? You're finished? I thought so. Well, this is going to be a fun one to colour in, Artie, with all that blonde yellow hair.
Some color would make this even better.
You're not wrong about that, Betty.
done, Artie. It looks fantastic. Miss Piggy has never looked so good. I love her pink skin and all that blonde hair. You did a wonderful job, Artie.
Well, that one took some skill. We'll see you again next time. Have an Artie day.
That's right, little artists. We hope you have an Artie day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.